Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from the shop.
What have you bought?
Can you guess?
Is it a toy?
No, it's not a toy.
Is it a doll?
No, not at all.
Is it a flower vase?
No, try again.
I cannot. Please show me what it is.
Well, I have bought a storybook.
For whom have you bought it?
Good question. I have bought it for my brother.
Does he like to read stories?
Yes, he does.
Can he read?
No, he cannot read properly. I help him with reading.
Great. Have you bought anything for your sister?
Yes, I have bought a pen for her.
Can she write?
Yes, she can write properly, nicely, and her handwriting is neat and clean.
Who gave you the money?
My mom gave me the money. Okay, dear, now I have to go home. Bye-bye. See you later.